Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove the code scanner to the control center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, now tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Control Center. Next, in here, go down to the More Controls section and then tap on the Add button right next to the code scanner. So tap on Add. Now, if you swipe down the control center at the top, you can see the code scanner has now been added to the control center. So tapping on that code scanner will allow you to scan for a code if you have one. Alright, now if you want to remove it from the control center, then we go back into Settings. In Settings, go to Control Center, and in here, go down to the Included Controls section and tap on the Remove button next to the code scanner. Then tap on Removed. And that's it. Finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.